What does $3,000 actually buy you in 2026? Is it a pre-built beast? Or a custom-built monster? Today, we're settling the biggest debate in PC gaming. 7 systems. 1 brutal testing gauntlet, Cyberpunk 2077 with path tracing, the new GTA 6 benchmarks, and 4K max settings. I've spent the last month with these machines, and one of them, a system from a brand you're probably ignoring right now, is about to make every other PC look overpriced. All purchase links are in the description. Let's find your perfect machine. Number 1. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. The AMD Ryzen 7 8700F is a powerful processor featuring a clock speed of 4.1 GHz and 8 cores, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding applications. It is supported by the AMD B850 chipset, ensuring compatibility with advanced features and technologies. The system comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, providing high-speed memory performance suitable for gaming, content creation, and other intensive tasks. Storage is handled by a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, offering ultra-fast data transfer rates that enhance system responsiveness and reduce load times for applications and games. The operating system pre-installed on this system is Windows 11 Home, providing a modern and user-friendly interface. Number 2. iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC. The AMD Ryzen 9 7900X is a high-performance processor that features 12 cores and 24 threads, optimized for gaming and content creation, making it an excellent choice for demanding applications. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 16GB graphics card, this system is capable of delivering stunning visuals and smooth frame rates for gaming and professional rendering tasks. The 32GB DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz ensures that multitasking performance is seamless and efficient, allowing for quick access to applications and data. With a spacious 2TB NVMe SSD, users benefit from rapid data transfer speeds, reduced loading times, and ample storage for games, software, and large files. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. Whether you're dominating the leaderboard in your favorite competitive games, streaming your gameplay live to an audience, or tackling creative projects that require intense computational power, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i stands out as an expandable powerhouse that's ready to perform exceptionally in any scenario. Beyond fast, at the heart of this gaming rig lies the impressive Intel Core Ultra 7 265F CPU, which is meticulously engineered to provide a significant performance boost. This CPU is specifically crafted to handle the demands of the latest and most popular AAA games, ensuring that you enjoy high frame rates and a smooth gaming experience. Game changer, complementing the strong CPU, is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU. This advanced graphics card takes your gaming and creative experiences to the next level, offering technologies that enhance the visual fidelity of your virtual worlds. Number 4. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master series represents an innovative line of gaming PCs designed specifically for passionate gamers who demand high performance and exceptional graphics capabilities. At the heart of this series lies AMD's powerful Ryzen CPU, renowned for its state-of-the-art AM5 architecture. This advanced structure enhances the processing capabilities, enabling users to experience seamless gameplay and efficient multitasking. The Ryzen 5 CPU, which serves as the core component of the Gamer Master series, boasts impressive processing speeds and comes equipped with up to 6 cores and 12 threads. This configuration allows gamers to run multiple applications simultaneously without a hitch, whether they are streaming their gameplay, chatting with friends, or utilizing resource-intensive software. Number 5. Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop. Modern design with a matte, basalt black finish presents a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic, crafted within an optimized chassis that not only enhances durability but also provides efficient cooling. One of the standout features of this design is the customizable Alien FX lighting zones, which allow for dynamic lighting effects that can be personalized to match your mood or gaming environment. The striking stadium lighting creates an immersive gaming atmosphere, setting the stage for an exceptional user experience. Game-changing graphics are brought to life through the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, which utilizes the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This graphics powerhouse delivers breathtaking visuals, whether you're diving into the most demanding games or tackling creative projects that require high graphical fidelity. So, the verdict is in. Whether you're a max settings enthusiast or a high FPS competitive player, your perfect 2026 machine is on this list. Every single PC we featured, from the budget crusher to the 4K Titan, is linked below with the best configurations and deals. If this testing saved you from a costly mistake or helped you find your dream build, destroy that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Share this with your squad. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're installing a secret, leaked NVIDIA driver, and the performance boost we found is borderline illegal. Don't miss it.